Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix Zoom meetings sound issue. If you are experiencing issues with no sound in a Zoom meeting, there could be various reasons behind the problem. Firstly, go to your phone settings. From here, we are going to remove unnecessary data and bugs from the Zoom app. That can be a possible reason for this problem. So let's get started by opening up the settings of your phone. Once you get into your phone settings, scroll down here. Tap on the General option from Settings. Then, from General, go into iPhone Storage. Now, if you scroll down in iPhone Storage, you will find all of your apps here. Then, look for the Zoom app from here and tap to go into its app. After getting into its app from here, now tap to offload the app from here. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available in the App Store. After that, tap on the Reinstall App option. This will reinstall the app and place back all the app data and documents that are still present on this iPhone. After that, open up the App Store. Then, tap on the search bar. Search for Zoom app here. Now make sure to reinstall the app from here and wait for it to get reinstalled. After that, get back to settings and wait for the app to get installed. Tap on the sound and haptics option. Make sure your phone sound is at its maximum level. If not, then roll the bar to increase the volume to its maximum. That's how you can fix this. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.